All right, let's go on. Continue with solving proportions. We've already done a couple of them here, so let's skip down to number 3. All right, so 2 times 4 is 8, so 6 times 4 would be k. So k equals 24. Next door here, let's see. To go from 5 to 8, we'd have to multiply by, let's see, that's 1 3/5 or 1.6. So we're going to have to multiply 9 also by 1.6 to get b. Let me get the calculator out here. Let's see. 9 times 1.6 is 14.4. So b equals 9 times 1.6, 14.4. Oop, I went off the screen there. 14.4. Next, we've got, let's see, from 10 to 9, 4 to a. Well, it's not simple what multiply 10 by to get 9, so we're just going to go 9 divided by 10. Tells us that times 0.9, so it's times 0.9 up here, and 4 times 0.9 is 3.6. All right, so A equals 3.6. All right, hold on a second. All right, next door here, we've got, let's see, 4 times 1.5 equals 6. So 6 times 1.5 equals A. 6 times 1.5 is 9. So A equals 9. Let's see. Moving on here, we've got, let's see, from 5 down to 3 is multiplying by 0.6. So 6 times 0.6. My calculator out again. 6 times 0.6 is 3.6. So x equals 3.6. Over here, from 5 to 9 is, let's see, that's times 1.8. So 8 times 1.8. Let's see, 8 times 1.8 is 14.4. So n equals 14.4. All right, let's look at the back side. Here, from 2 to 9 is times 4.5. So n, or 4 to n would be the same. So n equals 4 times 4.5, which is 18. All right, next, let's see, from 8 to 2 is, one other way you can look at this is divide by 4. So 5 divided by 4 would be n. All right. So let's see, 5 divided by 4 is 1.25. So n equals 1.25. Here we've got, let's see, from 5 to 9 is times 1.8. So 6 times 1.8. May do this one on the last page. I guess not. Is 10.8 equals B. Over here, from 4 to 7 is times 1.75. So 2 times 1.75 is m equals 3.5. Okay. Next up, let's see, from 5 to 4 is times 0.8. So 7 times 0.8 is n equals 5.6. Next up, we've got, let's see, from 8 to 3, what's that here, is times 0.375. Now, how did I know that? Well, I just did 3 divided by 8. So 3 divided by 8 gives us the number we have to multiply 8 by to get back to 3. So, oh, that just kind of botched that one up, didn't we? Should have gone the other way. Now to go, well, x times point, yeah, it's more complicated than it needs to be. Let's go from 3 to 8. Well, I don't know, so we're going to have to go 8 divided by 3 is 2.6 repeating. Okay? So we're going to have to multiply 7 by that same number. Well, the easiest thing to do, just leave this in your calculator and go times 7 equals 18.6 repeating. So x equals 18.6 repeating, which, by the way, is 18 2/3. Okay. Here we have, let's see, from 9 to 10 should be the same as 2 to x. So this is another one. We're going to have to go 10 divided by 9 will give us the number we have to multiply 9 by to get 10. So if I go 10 divided by 9, it's 1.1111, all these ones repeating. So we're going to have to multiply 2 by that same number. We'll just go ahead and leave it right here in the calculator. Times 2, we get 2.22222222222, which is x equals 2.2 repeating, or x equals 2 2/9. Another way of writing the 0.2 repeating. Okay. Next up, we've got from 4 to 10 is times 2.5. You can get that by dividing 10 by 4 if you wanted to. Or you can think about it, it's 4, 8, 2 4s, and then another half of a 4, 2.5. Oh, we want to go the other way. Alright, well, that's easy. It's divide by 2.5. So I'm just going to divide 8 by 2.5. So I'll go here, 8, see, divided by 2.5, 3.2. So A equals 3.2. So the key here is you just got to figure out what's the relationship across the two numerators or denominators that you already have. It could be a multiplication relationship, it could be a division relationship, whatever, but that same relationship holds down here. Well, it wouldn't be subtraction or addition, either multiplication or division. It holds across the bottom exactly the same. That's how you find out what the missing number is. All right, good luck.